how to change your passcode or PIN number for your e-bike in case you feel it is compromised or anything. Now at the beginning, you must have a PIN given to you by your seller. If not, reach out to them. Alright, so how do I change it? I'll hold I, I'll go to setup mode and then go to number 8. So with I you can tap and go to number 8, 6, 7, 8, hold minus, and then it'll ask for your PIN. So this is my current PIN, 1 1 2 2, and the new PIN I would like to set up is 2211. So I'll hold I and minus together. There you go. That says C1. Now it's asking for the new PIN. So 2 2 1 1, and then I'll reconfirm by doing the same, I and minus again. So 2 2 1 1, and then confirm it. Done. And you keep holding I, go to main screen. Now do remember your PIN, if you forget it, it cannot, there's no way you can reset it. You might have to change the whole setup. Now let's try if the old PIN works. I'll go to I, let's go to number 8, plus minus. My old PIN was 1 1 2 2. No, it doesn't. So my new PIN is 2 2 1 1, and once I press I can change the speed, and once I have the speed I can confirm it by holding I. Done.